皆さんにこの季節にぴったりの四字熟語をご紹介したいと思います。春風帯と桜の花を優しく撫でる春風は、花びらがゆっくりひらひらと地面に舞い落ちるように、優しく穏やかに吹きます。そして、桜は次に花開くのをじっと待っています。優しく、穏やかで、辛抱強い、そんな人でありたいものです。
First, I brushed and fixed my eyebrows using clear eyelash glue. I want my brow shape to be straight but very natural and bushy, so I'm filling them in lightly like so. Staying true to the Japanese aesthetics, I'm using a very thin layer of lightweight foundation all over my face. Then just adding a layer of concealer to the problem and highlight areas. With a damp sponge, I'm making sure to blend everything to a skin-like finish. Also using concealer to clean up my brows and to prime my lids for the eye makeup. Blend everything well and make sure to set all concealed areas with translucent powder. For this look, the eye makeup is very simple. We only need at least 2 different shades of pink blushers or eyeshadow. Get the lighter matte pink and buff that onto the outer third of your eye and gently blend that into your eye socket. Also bring that color down to your lower lids. Next, apply a darker shade of pink on the high point of your cheeks. They call this the pheromone blush in Japan. Get a light matte brown eyeshadow and just define your eye socket, then a skin tone shadow to finish off the eye makeup. Tightline your lash line with a black gel liner and use a dark pink pencil for your waterline. I used 3 small pieces of thin yet long lashes. I attached it under my real lashes to hide the lash strip. Next, just curl them with your real lashes and apply a thin coat of mascara. And that's it for the eye makeup. Next, you can just bronze up your face and add contour to your face as you wish. And here, I'm just adding a touch of light shimmery blush on the apples of my cheeks. Soak your lips in lip balm during Sakura time. Using NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, I'm outlining the cherry blossoms design on my chest. Once done with a rough draft, I then used a brown pencil to outline the branches of my cherry blossoms. Just play with the branches, draw some crooked lines. I'm just sketching where I think the branches would rest nicely on my body. Just drawing as I go, anyway, we can always change or add more details later on. Get a white cream makeup and paint on the general shape of your sakura. And we'll start shading the details of the flowers from the lightest to the darkest. Started off with a fluffy brush in a light pink, then I'm moving on to a more precise brush with a deeper pink tone. Then for the shadows and crevices of the petals, you can use a dark red or brown to add dimension and details to the sakura. Using the same dark pink pencil, I'm drawing the filaments of the flower, then dotting bright yellow cream paint as its pollen. Once you're happy with the details, you can add shadows around your design to make it pop from your skin. This is the basic step-by-step in layering when you're drawing flowers, and we'll do the same thing for the rest of the cherry blossoms. For the branches, I use a dark brown concealer to fill them in. Try to make the shape irregular and crooked just like the real branches. Feather out the lines as you move away from the base. For shading the branches, start off with a base brown color. I then applied a light brown cream contour with long strokes, blended that lightly. Then later on, we'll add streaks of black and white cream to add more texture to the branches. Blend it with long strokes using a dry brush or your fingers. Going back to NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk, just make random dots on the ends of the branches. You can sharpen and play with the pressure to make randomly shaped dots, or use a thin brush handle for another white variation. For a touch of pink, I simply use my old liquid lipstick. Done with the shadows, now I'm adding a little bit of pink highlight on my cheeks, my chin, and my cupid's bow and nose line. Further intensifying this dark pink and adding this hot red lippy from NYX for that geisha feel. Then top the lightest area of the petals using this pink highlight, teased and added volume to my hair. Then further smudged and blended this pink shadow, and we are done.
Guys, sakto. Haba na yung bump plan, so putulin natin yan para may bump backtrack tayo.
皆さんに投げたちにぴったりの YouTube をご紹介したいと思います。春風タイトル
Success! Naputol ko na siya. Woot! Odayaka ni. Yeah! Gumawa kami ng butterfly and flower origami.
桜の花を優しくなでる春風は花びらがほこりひらひらと地面に舞い落ちるように優しく穏やかにいきます。
そして桜は次にそ
して桜は次に花開くのをじっと待っています。
思います。皆さんに
そんな人でありたいものです。
桜は